This vocabulary mini lesson for first grade social studies is based on a geography standard relating to landforms. This lesson focuses on teaching students the concept of desert. To activate students' prior knowledge about the concept, I would use the Writing to Learn strategy, word exploration. I would have students spend a few minutes writing everything they know about deserts. Depending on the students and the time of the school year, first graders would likely need to use pictures as well as words to communicate their ideas. I would have a few students share their ideas with the class. Students might produce work similar to this example, stating that deserts are hot and that there is a lot of sand but no water, or that there are no trees in a desert. Next, I would read students a short passage from a nonfiction text about deserts, such as Gail Gibbons' book, asking them to listen for characteristics of deserts, especially ones that were different from what we'd already discussed. After reading, I would display a Freyer model on the Elmo projector and ask for volunteers to provide the definition, facts, examples, and non-examples. So what is a desert? What does that mean? And we might say that a desert is a place that is very dry. If students have trouble coming up with the definition, I might go back and read the first page of the book, which gives that definition. Next, we're going to look at the facts about a desert. These are things that we know about deserts. Facts about the desert. So students might say that there is not much rain in a desert. And with first graders, I would keep these very brief. They might say there's lots of wind. They might say that there's not many plants and animals. They might say it can be sandy or rocky. And although most are hot, they can be cold as well. So we'll say hot or cold. Now let's look at the examples. Can we think of a specific desert? The book mentioned several. We might go back to that page and look at the maps and find the Mojave Desert, or one of a very large desert called the Sahara Desert in Africa. And the last thing we're going to look at is our non-examples. Non means not. So we're going to look for and think of a place that is not very dry. So the opposite of a place that is very dry would be maybe something like a rainforest, or a swamp.